Hi there folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour, issue number 52. So in our first story this week we've got King Wilhelm Alexander of the Netherlands has revealed his secret life as a pilot. He's been doing this for the past 21 years. So that's a king of a country living a secret life doing an ordinary job. That's kind of like Rigour Man secretly being a maths teacher during the day, isn't it? Anyway, a typical pilot earns £70,000 per year. How much does a typical pilot earn per month before tax? So a nice easy one to start us off. We've got the annual salary, and to get the monthly salary all we have to do is take the annual salary and divide it by 12, and then obviously because it's money, round to two decimal places. So £5,833.33 per month. Nice work if you can get it, I suppose. Okay, so on to employment now. So IKEA are going to create new UK jobs when they open up their 3 new stores, and their workforce is going to increase by 12.5%. So we're working out the new number of employees once they've opened these stores. So basically we've got to work out 12.5% of 10,400 first of all. Loads of different ways we can do this. We can use the decimal multiplier, times it by 0.125. We can divide 10%, 5% and 2.5% and add them all together. We could do it the calculator way by dividing by 100 and times it by 12.5, but probably the easiest way to do it is that this is a half of 25%, so in other words 12.5% is an eighth. So we can actually just divide 10,400 by 8, giving us 1,300 new jobs. So to get the total number of employees, we just add this increase onto the original amount, the 10,400, so that's going to be 11,700 employees that IKEA are going to have in the United Kingdom. So that's quite good going by them, good for them. Okay, so our next story, Expressive Arts, and we've got this painting here, now joins the 10 most expensive paintings of 2016-17, as it sold for 110.5 million last week. Now personally I don't see it, to see what all the fuss is about, but it was obviously worth that money to the person that paid for it. Anyway, here are the other 9 most expensive paintings of 2016-17 and their names. So we have to calculate the range, mean and median of these paintings. So the range is calculated by doing the highest take away the lowest. So the highest is 300 million and the lowest is 110 million. And if we take them away from each other, it's a range of 190 million. Okay, so the mean, we calculate the mean, the most typical average, by adding up all the numbers. So when we're adding all these numbers up, make sure we don't forget to add 110.5. So that comes to 1,602.7 million. And then we've got to divide by the number of numbers. And of course there's 10 paintings in total. So that's going to give us a mean of $160.27 million. So the median is the middle number, and to get the middle number we need all the values in our list to be in order from the smallest to the biggest. And they kind of are, but just remember that the 110.5 would go in this place. So because we've got not 9, we've got 10 numbers, we don't actually have a middle number. We've got this, and that's 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we draw a line down here, that gives us 2 halves with 5 in it. Now to get the median then, we need to take these 2 middle values, add them together, and then divide by 2. And that's going to find us the median for a list with an even number of numbers in it. So the median in this case is 138.75 million. Okay, so moving on to our last story. So we've got a couple went on a date in Texas, and the girl spent a large portion of the night in the cinema on her phone texting, just as all you young people do. So the man has now sued his date for the price of the ticket for the cinema, which is $17.31, and she's since settled this debt out of court after it got some massive publicity. Anyway, what is the value of the claim in pounds and pence? Well, to change dollars back into British money, we divide by the exchange rate. So we divide by 1.30 in this case, and rounding to 2 decimal places because it's money, that's going to give us £13 and 32 pence. I think you should have maybe just let that one go. But anyway folks, that was our Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 52. Hope you found that enjoyable. And stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.